So again, good morning to all and welcome to Sports Corner PH. Kung ay Patchoy at kasama po natin muli as usual ang ating regular natin bisita dati sa Zoom, and of course one of the best karate champions natin dito sa Pilipinas, si Miss Jamie Lim. Bati ka!
Good morning! Hello! Thank you for watching.
And of course, narito ka ngayon dito sa may Barangay Cruz de Ligas, sa may Aguinaldo Community Learning Hub, kung saan kakatapos lang nitong One Town One Sport Physical Wellness for Kids sa Caravan, at ikaw ay isang guest speaker, and of course nagturo ka rin ng karate sa bata. So paano niya summarize yung mga nangyari kanina?
Yes, so nung una, ang daming mga bata, as in they're around how many? 40? 30, 40? Kinausap ko lang sila, shinare ko lang yung experience ko about when I was a kid, tas hindi pa ako magaling magkarate noon, hindi din ako magaling sa school, pero nung nagsikap ako, slowly gumaling. So don't be afraid to dream big and go for your dreams by working hard. So yun lang. And then nagturo ako ng onting karate, how to punch and how to kick, and like now they're enjoying with the kick pads and they're kicking.
Oo, at of course it is also giving back also sa inyong community dyan sa UP, sa mga neighboring areas, kasi alam natin si Jamie, she is a cum laude sa UP Diliman, and of course her mom, si Attorney Lelen, is actually the new law dean ng UP College of Law. Parang bumabalik talaga yung of course give yung mga pagtuturo ninyo noon sa karate through AAK before kay Sir Shian Ricky sa ating mga bata, sa ating future generation na maybe one day magiging champion din sila sa karate.
Oh yes. Ako, nag-start ako ng karate when I was 6 years old, and dito ako gumaling, and dito ko nakuha yung characters and values na kailangan ko in life, so not only karate. So I urge you guys to try out karate because it's very special to my heart.
Follow-up questions lang doon sa ating mga tinanong ko ng PSA Awards, kasi napalitan ko sa PTV4 na parang magpapahinga ka muna sa pagko-compete internationally. Maybe you do, paliwanag nyo sa amin. Is it related dito doon sa inyong studies ninyo dyan sa London?
Oh no, I actually finished my master's na in London. Pero this year really, wala masyadong competitions kasi ang karate hindi kasama sa Olympics. That's why there are not many competitions. There are, pero it's still like far from now. That's why medyo off-season for karate. So it's a calendar.
Pero yung susunod na competition, Miss Jamie, which is yung Asian Indoor Martial Arts Games, which is happening now. Meron na tayong mga dates sa November, no?
Actually, we have no idea yet when the IMAG will happen, pero I guess we'll just keep ready. It's early in the year pa, so we'll focus on like correcting our mistakes and like full conditioning.
But how's your training right now, Miss Jamie, with the national team? Alam ko nag-resume na yung training ninyo dyan sa Phil Sports Dojo, pero do you look forward nga sa mga tournaments na sasalihan ninyo within this year? Maybe can you explain to us yung mga tournaments na sasalihan ninyo for this year para sa national team?
So far we only have the Southeast Asian Championships and the Asian Championships happening, I think, around April and September if I'm not mistaken. And a lot more competitions for the under 21. Pero hindi ako kasama dyan kasi 26 na ako. So yun so far what I'm preparing for.
Okay, lastly, meron ako nakapansin doon sa comment section, doon sa picture natin na naka-selfie tayo. Meron napansin yung IG Reels, saka yung sa TikTok. Parang transition from being a fit girl to a karate ka doon. What's the story behind it?
No, I just did it for fun. Like we were playing around, me and my teammates sa Turkey, and then we did one transition video and it was so good. So we enjoyed it and I just kept doing it again and again. Pero
asahan ba natin na magiging maganda nga yung content ninyo sa social media? Lalo na very active ka sa social media, sa IG, saka sa TikTok.
So yes, follow me on IG para maganahan pa ako to make more transition videos and more training videos and all.
Lastly, ito last na talaga. May pangarap ka rin ba na maging karate coach palang araw pag dumating na yung panahon na magre-retire ka na sa national team at i-give up mo na yung career? Pero alam ko marami pa kapang taon kapag representing the country at saan pa natin yan. Ano ba ang inyong future plans mo with regards nga sa training and coaching nga sa mga bata?
Oh, well, for now, I want to just focus on training, and then maybe in the future, I'll be more open to it. Kasi for now, I feel like a kid pa, and like coaching and teaching will be down the line pa if ever. But I'm not closing my doors.
And of course, parang kailan lang, nanggaling tayo sa PSA Awards. Galante pa ang mga suot natin. Pero ngayon, it's time to give back and to teach the kids niya dito sa One Town, One Sport PH. And of course, shout out kay Sir Robbie for this, for the invitation na pumunta tayo. And lastly, meron kayong mga mensahe ninyo o mga pasasalamat ninyo. Please go ahead, Miss Jamie.
Yeah, so thank you so much for always supporting, for watching, and cheering for us in competitions or in life lang in general. I hope to see you guys soon pa in more interviews, and follow me then so we get to do more chances interviews together.
Alright, and thank you so much, Miss Jamie, dahil alam ko matagal na kung sinusuportahan yung career ninyo. I remember, nagka-Zoom interview tayo before sa Baguio Bubble, no?
Yes, probably.
Oo, at of course, sana mapagpatuloy pa natin ang inyong mga of course, representing the country, more competitions, more medals to come, and it's time na ipasa nyo yung mga kaalaman ninyo sa mga mas batang generation. Yan kasi ang hangarin natin na palaganapin at palakasin pa ang sports sa ating bansa. Miss Jamie, thank you so much, and have a great day po.
Thanks.